How to add a date picker in Google Sheets. Select a cell, data validation. Add a rule, then choose is valid date. Select reject the input. This makes sure only real dates can be entered. Now double-click the cell and a calendar will pop up. You can drag the corner of the cell down to fill the rest. You can also edit the date range or add another range. Click Add Range, choose the cells you need, then press OK. Hover over the rule to see where it's applied. To clear a date, press Delete or Backspace. The rule will stay, so you can pick a new date anytime. Another way, type a date and pick from the list. The calendar will appear too. You can also autofill it down. But there's a catch. If you delete the date, you can't pick it again. That's why I don't use this method. That's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.